ISP, I am very much impressed visiting this university. And I found that the youth peoples are very much enthusiastic to see strong relations between Pakistan and Bangladesh. And in last December, revolution taken place in Bangladesh, and students and the youth peoples and mass people was behind this. So the dream of the youth as a global citizens in the coming days, they have to take many responsibility to overcome the many challenges to mitigate together climate change and poverty, also unemployment, many problems. So education cooperation may be the strong element to overcome all this. So we are working together and cooperations between universities of Bangladesh and also the universities of Pakistan will take place. There will take exchange of trainings, programs, and students semesters exchange, and also the scholarships. That can be a strong element, so which is under discussions, and I am sure that it will fulfill the dreams of the peoples, especially in South Asia. We need to strengthen the SAARC, which will be a platform for common developments, for regional integrations, and Bangladesh is advocating for strengthening these regional cooperations.
Officially now, as after almost 50 years, these doors have been opened. So by taking advantage of this mindset of Pakistani government and Bangladesh to work for each other, we would of course welcome His Excellency, especially his efforts, and we can offer, being the President of Association of Pakistan Universities of Pakistan, Public Sector Universities of Pakistan, APSAP, which is a body of private sector universities in Pakistan. I'm heading in South Punjab. On the basis of that, and on the basis of the chairman of this institution, I can offer you inter-university cooperation, of course, which you will be, of course, managing for us from your universities. As we were talking in the office, that there is a very, very vast areas in which Pakistani universities and Bangladeshi universities can work. Research exchange is one thing, students' small occupational courses is one thing. Student exchanges, as I was talking, by mapping the programs between the two universities, we can offer students to go to Bangladeshi universities into their 6th and 7th semesters as a semester exchange program. And similarly, Bangladeshi students can come to the Pakistani university anywhere in Islamabad through our association called APSAP in Islamabad or in Karachi, Lahore, Multan. These universities, as I'm mentioning, even in private sector universities is more easy because decision making in private sector universities are very swift. So I can offer this kind of facility that we as APSAP can work